Hi loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taijah Marie and today I'm going to be going over 6 easy eyeliner hacks. I know that eyeliner can be a little bit tricky, so hopefully you find these tips helpful along the way. If you do, consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so today is all about eyeliner. I am using one of my favorite eyeliners from the Sephora brand in the color black. And with this first trick, we're going to be grabbing a card, any sort of stiff card, and you're going to set it up against your corner of your eye. You're going to be using this as a guide to create a really sharp triangle, and then just continuing to draw in the rest of your eyeliner up along your eyelid. And I usually don't fill in my eyeliner all the way to the inner corner of my eye. I just feel like it looks better this way. Next trick, you're just going to grab some tape, and you're also using this as a guide to create a really sharp line. And this is a really nice trick because you can kind of mess up with this one, draw all over the tape. It doesn't really matter because the tape is going to be getting ripped off at the end. So just continue to draw your triangle and then go up along your eyelid like you normally would. Just keep filling that in, and then take the tape off and you're left with a beautiful sharp triangle. This next trick, you're going to grab whatever concealer that you like to use, and you're going to want to grab a flat brush head like this, and you're going to use the concealer to draw a guide up underneath your eye. So basically, you know to keep that straight line going as you're drawing your eyeliner on. So you're just going to follow the concealer line and continue to draw up along the rest of your eyelid. Take a fluffy brush and get that concealer out the way. Just blend it all in. And just like that, you're left with a gorgeous wing. Alright, so go ahead and draw on your eyeliner as you normally would, or draw it on as best as you can. And just when you think you're about to be all finished and walk out the door, there it is, you mess up. Great. So it's okay, you're just going to grab your concealer one more time. And you're basically going to use this as an eraser. You're just going to get rid of that little spot that's messed up because the rest of your eyeliner is okay, right? So just take that brush and pack it along the side of the line and just get rid of the dark mark. Alright, so I'll blend it away and your problems are solved. This one, I struggle not to flinch. I'm not really good at keeping one eye open and closing the other one, so I had to end up opening my eyes. But this one is connect the dots. So basically, you're going to draw dots all along the corner of your eye and draw a line across to connect the dots. This one is really easy because a lot of the space is already filled with you drawing those dots all along your eyelid. And as simple as that, you have a wing. So this next one, you're going to grab a makeup wipe and you're going to use this as another cleanup method. So go ahead and draw on your eyeliner just like you normally would. And once again you mess up, so go ahead and grab that makeup wipe and drag it alongside the edge to create a really sharp line and to get rid of that mess up that you made. And there you go, it's all fixed. Alright guys, and that was it for this video. I hope that your days of messing up eyeliner or struggling with eyeliner are behind you. Comment down below and tell me what your favorite trick was. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. And like this video and consider subscribing to my new and growing family. Alright guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!